إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليما اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق وقاتل لما سبق ناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حقا قدر المقدار العظيم اللهم صل وسلم وبارك عليه وعلى آله. Do you know him? His name is Rasulullah. Do you know him? His name is Habibullah. Do you know him? His name is Saifullah. Who? Sayyidina Mustafa. Do you know him? His name is Rasulullah. Do you know him? His name is Habibullah. Do you know him? His name is Saifullah. Who? Sayyidina Mustafa. Allah and the angels shower blessings on the Prophet. So we should do it non-stop. Never stop it. Rasulullah is the last messenger. A lamp giving light. Allah samana. No one is nearer, clearer, or dearer to Allah subhanallah than our Malana Habibullah, Saifullah, the purest purified, the only true guide who never ever lied. He must never be denied if you want salvation. Cream of creation, owner of the station that is only fit for one man.
Peace be on him.
Prophet Muhammad, the angels watched him so that he would never sin. Cleansed his heart from sin, getting ready for the start of prophethood. He stood high above his people. So noble and beautiful, the bringer of the Holy Quran is beautiful.
Do you know him?
His name is Rasulullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Habibullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Saifullah.
Who?
Sayyidina Mustafa.
Do you know him?
His name is Rasulullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Habibullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Saifullah.
Who?
Sayyidina Mustafa.
The first light anticipated, formulated, then created. From this bright light the whole world was illuminated. Prophet Muhammad Ibn Abdullah, the truthful, fruitful servant of Allah, the walking Quran, who moved with the peace and calm, who taught the deen clean with his celestial charm.
Prophesied, emphasized in the gospel and Torah.
Promised the highest heavens,
Jannata Wasila,
descendant of Abraham through Ismail. May Allah bless the whole world with the spiritual shield. Shaitan wants him to become a mystery, but he's the most influential man in history. Do you know him?
His name is Rasulullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Habibullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Saifullah.
Who?
Sayyidina Mustafa.
Do you know him?
His name is Rasulullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Habibullah.
Do you know him?
His name is Saifullah.
Who?
Sayyidina Mustafa. Takbir. Risala. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Shout out Brother Ismail and shout out Brother Muz for inviting us here, and may Allah continue to bless them for all the youth projects and all the community projects they are doing. All right, Rakim, what's the next one?
The next one is a song that we wrote a long time ago, which is called Don't Disrespect the Beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Yes.
Okay, so don't diss the Prophet, don't disrespect, reflect before you say what you might regret. Don't diss the Prophet in the media or the pulpit. His life and his deeds you need under the carpet. Don't diss the Prophet, don't disrespect. Reflect before you say what you might regret. Don't diss the Prophet in the media or the pulpit. His life and his deeds you see under the carpet. In response to the dunce articles, statements and cartoons, with defending Prophet Muhammad with this tune, depicted with negativity in society that's out of order. You don't know his manners and you don't know his character. He showed love to his foes and adversaries, initiated race relations, respecting ladies, worshipping one God in peace was his consensus. Salutations to Moses, Mary and Jesus. Polite, truthful, humble and trustworthy. Here to set the record straight, not controversy. Written in the Gospel, Torah, Book of Isaiah, purification of the self was his desire. He never killed innocent women or children, home or abroad, totally submitted to the will of his Lord. Some Muslims give him a bad name and shame. The walking Quran came to heal the pain. Don't diss the Prophet, don't disrespect. Reflect before you say what you might regret. Don't diss the prophet in the media or the pulpit. His life and his deeds just sweep under the carpet. Don't diss the prophet, don't disrespect. Reflect before you say what you might regret. Don't diss the prophet on the media or the pulpit. His life and his deeds just sweep under the carpet.
Don't diss the prophet. Come off it. You need to stop it. It's not worth it. Creating enmity for prophet and for creation. We're dealing with the man who was the greatest. Loved by man. Hated by the hypocrites and the haters. No pictures of the prophet and nothing photographic. We don't worship man. We worship he who is terrific. The one that sent him to the universe. The same one who blessed me with the lyrical verse. If you disrespect the prophet, you're enemies of Allah. Wallahi. If you do that, there's no protector. The Prophet Muhammad, the beloved, worldwide, his name purified, inner soul purified. If you disrespect the Prophet Muhammad, that's evil. That acts medieval. You cause upheaval. He's the most loved man to walk the universe. Blessed by angels. Blessed was the day of his birth. Come on, don't diss the Prophet. Don't disrespect. Reflect before you say what you might regret.
Come on.
Don't diss the prophet in the media or the pulpit. His life and his genes just sweep under the carpet. Don't diss the prophet. Don't disrespect. Reflect before you say what you might regret.
Come on.
Don't diss the prophet in the media or the pulpit. His life
and his deeds just sweep
under the carpet. Takbir. Risala. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Come. Come again now.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. If you follow Muhammad, then you'll become a passenger.
Come.
On a journey back to the source, the main force. Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim, Ya Qaddus is the boss. If you worship other than Allah, then you're far away. The skies are greater one who doesn't obey the law of creation. The beautiful formation of the clouds and the stars, the planet from Earth to Mars and beyond. I'm fond and try to have a bond with Allah. Ya Sami, when I call, he responds. He's the most hearing, most caring and sharing. Showers and blessings his servants that are God-fearing. Know that the heavens and the earth belongs to him. Everything in between. Lord of mankind and jinn. Please don't be idol worshipping. If you are, then you lost everything. Allah's the only king. Associating partners with Allah is the wickedest crime. Truly by the time man has lost his shine, he thinks he's sublime. His eyes are wide open, but he's not awake, he's sleeping. You think he'll live forever, but the judgment day is creeping. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Come.
Louder. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Come again.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Come. We used to live life in strife, ignorantly, abundantly. Then we learned Islam spiritually, intellectually. We used to indulge in this and that. Now we're learning about zakat, salat, salawat. What's that? Prayer and charity with clarity. Salutations to the holy prophet of humanity. Jesus told the people not to worship him, but to worship the Lord of mankind and jinn. It's diabolical. Shaitan's army kind of chronicle. Working systematic slavery, psychological. Making us deny Allah and the mystical. Making us dances to the facts that be logical. Sit narcotics, alcoholic chemicals. Making us pathetic, schizophrenic, cynical. Salam alaikum to the prophet and the angelical. Please give us intercession when the time is critical.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Come. Yeah.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Come.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Takbir. Risala. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Alhamdulillah, Alameen. Jazakallah khair. We are Mecca to Medina. I hope that you enjoyed that, inshallah. It's a beautiful event. Jazakallah for inviting us. And salam to all of the sheikhs. The Sheikh Adaki Murad, salam alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
And everybody here, please, all of us, we're all gathered. And the reason we're all gathered here is because of one thing, from the love of Sayyidina Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum.